Alright, today I'm going to show you how I managed to fix Hi-Tek switches. Those switches can be found on all terminals. Here is my Hazeltine terminal. They can be found on DEC VT100 terminals, on old HP terminal keyboards. And the problem with those switches is that they are prone to cracking. So the rectangular slider can have cracks at corners, and those cracks make keys stuck, and they do not hold the caps securely, so keycaps just come off. So here's an example. This is the healthy key with no cracks. I can install the keycap here. It works properly. It will require some force to take it off. And this one has actually three, not even two, three cracks in three corners. So if I install the keycap here, the key will get stuck. And at the same time, it's like really easy to take that away, like requires almost no force. So I tried to use super glue, it didn't work. I tried to loop the sliders, it didn't work either. And then I found something about the design of the Hi-Tek switches that allowed me to find a proper fix for the problem. So if you can see right here, those two metal pieces make a contact just before the key bottoms out. So I still have about 1 millimeter of travel after the contact is made. So here's the contact, and here the key bottoms out. So what I designed is a small rectangular washer, or as I call it, the collar. This is 0.8 millimeter thick, made of engineering plastic and laser cut. So what it does, when this collar is placed around the neck of the switch of this slider, it holds all the four sides together and fixes the key. I will show you how to install this collar. So I use a regular pin and put it to the side of the key and press so that I can no longer press the key down. I can lock the key while I'm installing this thing. And then I install the collar around this rectangular neck so that it's flush with the upper edge of the slider. And then I install the key itself, the keycap, and I try to wiggle it all the way through, and you need to go all the way through to make sure that the collar is locked by this keycap and doesn't come off. Kind of do it this way, and once you feel that you're done, you remove the pin and you need to press the key firmly. If you don't hear anything or feel anything, this means that you already installed your keycap all the way through and it locks the collar securely. So now you have a functioning key, pretty healthy one. So if you compare this to a regular switch with no collar installed, you will see that they have the same profile, so you are not increasing the profile of the keyboard when you're installing those collars. And the travel is a bit more shallow, so when you have this collar you will have the same 0.8 millimeters less of the travel. This is barely noticeable. But the feel of the key is a little bit different, so it is more precise and sharp, and I quite like the way it sounds and the way it feels with the collar installed. So what I will do is I will install all those collars on all the keys, even the healthy ones, so that they look and feel the same and have the same travel distance. And installing those on healthy switches will actually prevent them from cracking, so the keyboard will work for many more years. So this is it. I'm pretty pleased with the result, and thanks for watching.